Welcome to Chef Bimal Kitchen. Today we are making creamy, cheesy and restaurant style fettuccine alfredo at home. This easy pasta recipe is rich, delicious and perfect for a quick lunch or dinner. Let's begin. First of all, I have taken 1 liter of water, salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of olive oil and bring to boil. Now I am going to add 250 gram of fettuccine pasta and I am going to boil it for 10 minutes. Now pasta is ready. Now I am going to strain it. Now I have taken 15 gram of butter and I am going to melt it. Now I have taken one medium sized garlic and I am going to chop it. Now I am going to mix it into butter and I am going to saute it well. Now I am going to add 1 cup of cream and I am going to stir it well. Now I am going to add 1 teaspoon of crushed black pepper. Now I am going to add 50 gram of grated Parmesan cheese, salt to taste. Now I am going to add pasta into it. Five gram of chopped parsley. It is ready now. Now I am going to transfer it into platter. And finally I am going to garnish it with parsley sprig, 4 pieces of sauté cherry tomato, and 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese. And 1 teaspoon of chopped parsley. Our creamy fettuccine alfredo is ready. Rich, cheesy and delicious, just like a restaurant style pasta at home. Serve hot and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more easy recipe. Thank you for watching.